Hello everyone! Today, we are going to do some activities in baby class that we might be able to implement at home. Let's go! First is flowing water. This activity is simple. We only need a straw and water. This can develop their fine and gross motor skills, stimulates their sense of touch, sound, and smell. The second is finding animals under the sea. We only need sands and some objects. This can train the muscles in hands by exploring different shapes, textures, and temperatures. Last one is brushing teeth. Repeat this activity as daily basis. This can help them to tolerate different textures and taste in their mouth. And importantly, is improving their oral hygiene. And that's our activity in baby class today at Playfield Kids Academy Emporium.